For my final project, I'm looking forward to hiring a makeup artist and what it takes to recruit one. This is how my job vacancy notification will look like. It will be including what I'm looking for and including one of my benefits of working with the company. Also including the company's phone number and email and how to apply for the job. For my job description, I will start off with, do you love playing with makeup and making other people feel good about themselves? If so, they're on the right task, and we are here to help achieve and support their goals on working with our makeup products. Hopefully this introduction of job description would interest their candidates. What is a makeup artist? A makeup artist is responsible for people's appearance, making sure that application is correct according to lighting, setting, and physical facial features, as everybody's facial feature is different. Some are round, oval, and square or lopsided. Everybody's facial features are different. So what are we looking for? We are looking for artistic candidates with excellent communication skills for the position of makeup artists. So makeup artists who are responsible for consulting with clients and create custom looks based on their specifications. So determining which materials and colors are the most suitable and having knowledge of different colors, palettes, and design styles among their duties. Makeup artist responsibilities, almost the same as the last slide, but more consulting with clients, making sure they have the right products, making sure that the artist knows that what they're allergic to, and so on, creating custom looks, trying to copy other artists' looks and create your own, playing around with the makeup, make it look good and not messy. Enhancing facial aesthetic through makeup, having knowledge of different color palettes and design styles, knowing the latest trends in beauty. So like 2021, it's more neutral, as like before like 2000, it was more bright colors and popping and bright cheeks. Now it's a very neutral color. We want people to fit in with everybody and not feel like they're outstanding. And budget for recruiting plan. This year of like 2021, a lot of youngsters are into makeup and now want their dreams to come true and work their magic. Therefore, I'm looking to hire roughly to 100 to 120 candidates. So by doing so, I did my math by multiplying the cost per year by the hire I need. So let's see, so by the hire I need, 115 times 4,035 equals to $464,025, and that's how much I'll be using, how much we'll be spending for recruiting. Interview process. So after talking to them, after them applying, we start a phone interview. First, we want to know what they know about our company. This would allow us to know that the fact the person did their research and is the right candidate that will be passionate about the company itself and what it stands for. Why do you want to work here? This will allow us to know that the candidate's interest in our company. Tell me the role of being makeup artist. This acknowledge the candidate is applying for the correct job role and they've read the job description thoroughly and researched as much as possible beforehand. An in-person interview. Question will be, describe your style of work in a few sentences. This will allow us to know the candidates can work independently and work at their risk. How do they find us? It would be nice to know how they end up finding us. For example, search on Google, LinkedIn, or Indeed, etc. job site. Do you have any questions? That's most important because we want to know that the candidate was actively listening and genuinely interested in the opportunity. That's what we're more looking for. And our pre-employment testing, we want to make sure that their skills and abilities of working with makeup and brushes are good and accurate, and how they understand other people's facials. We want to make sure that they know how to use the correct brushes, as like there's brushes for cheeks, highlighter, eyeshadow, blending, and therefore lastly a drug test. Drug test to make sure they're not high when working, or like they're drunk on working, or any other drugs in their systems. And this is my offer letter stating which position I am, giving them the benefits if the candidates accept our offer letter, also including a response date and a phone number and email if the candidate has any other questions. And this ends my presentation on how I would recruit a new candidate to my company.